Would it be day 4 when it be Christmas?
No, day 25 is when it's Christmas. Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 3, and I'm taking the kids to school and heading to work. I have to be to work super early today, so, but of course y'all already know we have to stop by Starbucks. I really need to go grocery shopping because I spend more money going to Starbucks versus buying the coffee and making it at home. So yeah, we're gonna make our Starbucks run today. All right.
Hey guys, tomorrow wanna be day 4.
That's tomorrow, but this is what? This is day 3. I'm always having bad angles. I didn't put it up because I didn't want it to shake. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Got to be more careful. But I just picked the kids up from school, and let me see. I need to move my monitor because I'm always looking at the monitor. But I don't know why I didn't pin this on the window. Turn down. Chill out. Chill out. Chill it out. Chill it out. But I just picked the kids up from school, and now I'm going to Publix, but I'm not going with them. I'm gonna drop them off and then go to Publix because God forbid I get inside Publix and then it start pouring down raining and then I have to carry the car seat. Too much. So, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, so when we come back, we're gonna be in Publix, okay? They don't have bread, I'm not gonna get my cookies. I'm gonna be good. No cookies. Let's get some pork chop. Down this way. Looking for pork chop. There's pork chop. Pork chops so good. Like, do I want these though? They're really good. I'll do these. Get I've been aiming this right. Okay, y'all. I don't think this is gonna work. Me setting it up like this. No, so I have no choice but to hold it like this. People's gonna be looking at me weird. Okay. Just go back this way. Okay, that's it. I think that's all I need. Okay, so we're ready for checkout. Got that. Nothing major. Just small. People looking at me so weird. Hi, how are you? And yes. Do I have to pick this water up, or do you can scan it? It's just this on. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Thank you.
Is that gonna help out?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. You're so sweet.
You having a good day so far?
Yeah, so far so good. Like over this way.
It's been a pretty nasty day.
Pretty what?
Pretty nasty day.
Nasty weekend all over.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
And the Gators don't play.
The Gators did. See, I'm not a football fan. My husband's more of a football fan, but I'm not a football fan.
We didn't make anything like playoff thing, but we play again the 29th.
The Gators do? Okay. So you're a big Gators fan, huh? You go to UF?
No, I got to Santa Fe.
Oh.
But I'm transferring to UF next year, so I'm getting my AA at Santa Fe.
Oh, okay. Well, congratulations. That's a good thing. And yeah, you could throw that on top of there. Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, we have a great.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun.
Well, I am finally home. Say hey, mommy.
Hey, Mom!
You always say that. I'm telling you to say hey to them. Say hey. Okay. She's at home. Okay, so we are gonna start cooking. It might be dark. No, we're not cooking no fried Oreos, Mama.
What are we cooking?
Not today.
What cooking?
We just cooking. Y'all see me? Okay, hopefully y'all can see me. I think I'm kind of crooked. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna cook dinner. Oh, that light is blinding. So I guess this is supposed to be Elsa, you guys. You're Elsa, Mama?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy, you're Elsa?
Yeah.
We're frying these pork chops. I got the wrong one. I got the thick ones, but pork chops. What's these? Sweet peas and some quick macaroni and cheese and some cornbread. Something quick, nothing homemade, something really quick. And yeah. We're gonna grow. We're gonna grow. We're gonna grow. Uh-oh. Well, I'm over here whipping and I'm burning these.
You record?
Stop it, IKEA!
Oh yeah, don't start that plan.
I look like Humpty Dumpty with the skirt on.
Didn't you buy a girl in the middle?
Stop
Yeah.
IKEA!
I'll fix the cornbread. You don't have to fix it. I'm trying to make sure this.
Now what you have to pour that
Stop
out.
Not right now, nigga. That's hot.
What you do then?
Put it on the eye that's not hot. You know how to cook. You want to taste it?
Quit playing. Quit playing so let me go get my.
Please don't pick me up.
That's so good. You was washing something, babe? What's that, the dryer?
Probably, I had to set the cover out.
Alright, you guys. For some reason, I feel like I always end the vlog out right here, like standing in this area. That's so funny. But I am gonna go ahead and call it a night and end this vlog. And I will see you guys. Say hey, babe. But I will I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, and I will see you guys. First of all, let me say this. I'm so sorry that my vlogs get up late. I'm trying to do it daily. I don't want to pre-record and then have to do it. So I'm trying to, I don't know, I'm lying, because it's one of them I am gonna post that I did pre-record. But that's putting up the tree though, so that's different. But yeah, I'm trying to record each day, every day, and then put it out. So y'all bear with me. If your man played 2K and don't pay you no attention, leave a comment down below. Like, let me know, because he's always on this game. Like, show me some love. Show me some love. Anyway, see you guys in day 4. Peace.